guys, welcome to the Ranch Boy channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this. So if you want to learn how, stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your hands and you want to go like, you want to take them, you want to go like this, and you want to go like that. So his hands like this, his hands like that. You want your thumbs to be like that with a little hole right there. And then you want to take them, and right here where your thumbs bend, you want to put that to your mouth. And you want to blow down into them. And then another way you can do is you can take them, go like that, and then do this. Or you can take them and go like this. Just a sec. Really high pitched. What? And you can also do this. Once you get good at it, you can do this. That's the end. Subscribe if you want to. Like if you want to. I really don't care. Bye.